Guys, this is just a quick video to say how the Forex Beginners Academy has helped me. So I wanted to get into Forex. I've been wanting to get into trading for a long time. Didn't know where to start really. As you probably know, there's loads of courses out there that you have to pay for, lots of scams, so it's really difficult to find one that works. But this one has been amazing for me. It's taught me so far all about things like support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, moving averages, trend lines, channels, the mindset of a trader, risk management, candlestick analysis, how to analyze like pricing charts using TradingView, MT4, and it's kind of cleared up a lot of the things that I just had no idea about really. And you can see that like the 8 years that he's been, Saad Ali has been kind of learning this, has been condensed into this course. It's just been invaluable really. There's obviously the private student group on Facebook. Put charts on there, they're reviewed very quickly, they help you through the learning. So this has been great for me. I'm not all the way through the training yet. I'm looking forward to completing it and then carrying on my journey and hopefully be able to do something useful with Forex trading. So I want to personally say this course is great. So if you're just trying to decide whether to do it or not, I'd say just go for it. You've got nothing to lose. It's not going to cost you anything, and yeah, he seems to know his stuff and it's helped me a lot, so thank you.